Hello guys, so I am going to show you today about how to improve the Chrome browser. Just press Alt plus F and then the menu bar will be opened, and here you see the right side. You have to click here settings. Once you are going to settings, here in the left panel you have here performance. You can see here performance. You have to click on the performance, and here you will be seeing the performance tab, memory saver. When it is going to on, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keep Chrome fast. Your inactive tabs automatically becomes active again when you go back to them. So once we are doing here on enabling the tab, then automatically the tabs, the Chrome will be having the data resources will be released automatically which are not active. So now I'm doing here enabling. Just enable it and close the open the other tab, and you will be seeing the Chrome, and just cross verify it, Alt tab, and go to settings and go to the performance. You can see here automatically here is enable. So now you have enabling the performance improvement in the Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.